So we're going to pull the intake off the 8.1 today. I just wanted to give you a shot of what it looks like before. And basically what you want to do is remove this entire plate and open the mouth up inside where the throttle body is. Another good shot is this picture right here. So we're going to be knocking this whole middle edge there right out. Hey guys, pretty big exciting day for me here. I looked into this intake modification now for quite a while and debated and hummed and hawed what I should do. So anyhow, last night I said, you know what, I'm just going to bite the bullet and I'm going to cut it open and do it myself. So looky here, oh my goodness, isn't this going to be able to breathe good now? So basically the factory plate covers all this in as well, so you're only breathing through that. But the big thing is when you're back here, is your airspace is only from this spot to this spot, which is not very much at all. So between a recip saw, a drill, a few different size bits, and a grinder, we got her done. And I'm just going to use plain old JB weld and do a nice clean job of it. And this is going back in the truck maybe even tonight. But if not, once we get it in, there's going to be some videos to come. And I just thought you guys would like to see that. It's really not that hard to do. But I'm guessing the gains is going to be substantial. And I've also got a whole bunch of aftermarket goodies ordered. I'm going to switch this from a 78mm throttle body to an 87 off of Gen 5. And there will be a video coming up on how I go about that as well. But this is the start right here, getting this intake to breathe. Just wanted to give you guys a quick shot of these two. Ordered these from Rock Auto. And these are, not sure if this is the upper or lower, I ordered all four. But these are high grade, designed and built for endurance, they say. So we got four of them to put in the old girl, and it actually does look like a high grade steel. It's got a different color to it, so hopefully these last. Nice kit. It even got a cover for the grease nipple on the bottom there. Everything you need. Fancy little pin clip there. Nice stuff. Alright, so I've got it all JB welded back up with the quick weld. I filled the seam, laid the plate back on, and then put this nice thick bead the whole way around. It's not aluminum weld, but where this aluminum is cast and ripply, I think you can see it in the video there. I don't think I'll have any troubles using the JB weld. I think it'll be fine. So anyway, that's how you do an intake manifold mod on an 8.1 by yourself. Pretty simple. Took me maybe 3 hours all said and done by the time I get it back in the truck. So the next video coming up, or one of the future videos, I'm going to show you how to take this 3-bolt throttle body and switch it to the newer style 4-bolt throttle body. This is an 8-wire. This is a 6-wire. So once the parts arrive, I'll show you guys how to do that.